Imagine mastering the art of trading in just 2 days. Welcome to the Activate Trading Workshop, happening February 8th and 9th, 2025. In the fast-paced world of trading, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Are you ready to power up your trading strategy? Picture yourself confidently navigating the markets armed with cutting-edge strategies and AI-powered tools. You'll learn to identify and validate tradable ideas with confidence, using 4 proven methods for spotting opportunities. Gone are the days of uncertainty and hesitation. Imagine the clarity you'll have when making trading decisions. Discover cutting-edge AI trading tools that will maximize your profits and save you precious time. These aren't just fancy gadgets. They're your new secret weapons in the trading battlefield. Create up to 12 income streams, generating fast cash flow while minimizing risks. Imagine waking up to multiple sources of income, all working for you while you sleep. Build a personalized trading plan for consistent success, tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, you'll gain practical insights to elevate your trading game. But remember, this exclusive opportunity is available to a limited number of participants. Register now for the Activate Trading Workshop. Click the link below to reserve your spot. The Activate Trading Workshop. Transform your trading. Transform your future. Register now.